Hello, in today's video I'm gonna show you do-it-yourself smart timer. I have a timer like this that broke down. This is the third one already that basically stopped working, and I'm going to create a smart timer. So let's get going. Hello again. So in my previous video I showed you the reason why I'm replacing this water heater timer. This piece of crap, basically, sorry my French, is really designed to fail, and it just does fail. So if you want to know why, check out the description. I'm gonna put it either here or here on the bottom, and I'm gonna create a smart water heater based on a contactor. So I'm going to go remove all those cables, and as you can see, connection is very simple because all we have is black and white wire coming from the line, and then black and white wire going to the water heater. So all you have to do is basically connect black and white, and then we need to engage the contactor, and this particular one is operated by 120 volts. So I'm gonna show you how I connect it, and that's gonna be operated by the smart plug, and that's gonna make it smart, and there's gonna be no more problems with mechanical water heater switches. Before you are going to start working on disconnecting or connecting something, make sure you do disconnect your power. So double check everything with multimeter. I don't take any responsibility for any failures, any fires or anything. Whatever you do, it's up to you. I'll just show you how I do it. So I just wanted to make sure that everybody understands how the connections work, so I created this little schematic. So as you can see, two lines of 120 volts come into this box. You will see a white cable and black cable going right here on the left side. Then we have a black cable and white cable exactly going through and going down to the water heater, and then we have a 120 volt coil, which you're gonna see right here. This is one connection and the other connection, and then I have a cable that I cut and later connected with the extension cord, and then extension cord connects directly to my smart plug, and smart plug is connected straight to the power outlet. This is 110 volts, and this plug is operated by 110 volts. So you can run it however you want it. I had it connected with the extension cord that supplies the power to the coil, turning it on and off, and the device that regulates when to turn it on and off is that smart plug. You can also just go and plug it in straight into the wall if you want to manually turn it on and off. So hopefully this clarifies all the connections that I did in this project. Alrighty, so I have removed the old timer which was broken, and we have a new one. Now basically what I did is very simple. So you can see that there is a white wire coming out of the line, and there is black wire. Each of those wires gets 110 volts over here, 110 or 120, and then this is the black wire and white wire going straight to the water here. And then here I have a 110 volts going to the smart switch. So basically what's going on, I have a smart switch set up right here, and then what I do is basically I click water heater. Now I can click it on and off, and then this what turns it on and off remotely. So now it's off. Now it's on. Also, what I can do with this smart switch, I can set up times and schedule to turn it on and on when I want. So this will give me the options to have this switch as a smart timer. Also, I can say, Alexa, turn the water heater on, turn the water heater off in between, and I have a full functionality with Alexa if you have the smart switch. So this is connected to the power, and right here, as you can see, this is my smart switch, which I can operate by using my phone. Also, I can just push this button and I can turn it off. Now I can manually turn it on. So this whole apparatus is super simple. I was thinking about doing that a long time ago. Now I've done it. Now I want to share this with you so you can save money. So don't waste your money. Don't buy this water heater timer, which costs probably right now maybe $80. It's mechanical and it's basically designed to fail. As I showed you, the electronic ones that they sell probably $160, $180. In my opinion, total waste of money, because you can do it by yourself. This costs about $12. Smart switch costs about $5 each. So under $20 you have a nice smart switch, basically fault proof. If anything happens within the next couple of months, I'll let you know, but I don't suspect to have any problems. The guy that has a similar setup as me reported that he's got no issues. So this is how you can change your regular water heater timer with the smart switch. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.